Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction features on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose General Management, Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, under Smart Typing there are some text correction options. You can find even more of them by tapping on More Typing Options. If you wish to turn on or off one of those options, click on the sweater next to the chosen one, or tap on it, and click on the sweater over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!